This founder is using 3D printing and robotics to turn disabilities into superpowers. How to enable package tracking in Gmail. What we know about Trump possibly facing criminal indictment in New York City. Robert Blake, the actor acquitted in wife's killing, dies at 89. Designing a climate advocacy strategy. F5. Michael Hambus feeds creativity with creativity. 10 must-have capabilities in a business push-to-talk app. Navigating Salesforce threats, your largest container of data. Navigating the B2B marketing landscape, expert predictions for 2023.